not worth it. This video is sponsored by... What is this? Oh, this video is sponsored by Amazon. Moving on. So on my Instagram, that is Luke Muirhead. I repeat, that is at Luke Muirhead. I asked you guys for some questions to do a Q&A. So this is what I got. Why are you so sexy? How are you so sexy? Goal with YouTube. My goal with YouTube is to grow a community. Like, I want to build something up, if you understand what I'm saying. Obviously, I like making videos. They're fun. They're a way to get what I want to say out there in a creative and original way. And get rich. Can't believe I said that out loud. Fave Shrek movie. Lol. I didn't want to have to say this. But I've never seen a Shrek movie. FBI, open up! What are you gonna do to me? But I have seen this. Do you miss me? No. Something. Relationship status. I knew this was coming, man. Okay. I'm taken. Sort of. Before you start yelling at me, let's define relationship. So basically, I'm in a relationship with YouTube and other passions, like sports and stuff like that. I'm committed to those things. That is definitely not going in the video. Do you still play the sax? No, but Shrek does. Who is the last person you texted? If you had to have one emoji tattooed on you, what emoji would it be and why? Definitely this one, because it reminds me not to be stupid. Who do you idol? YouTube-wise, Ryan Trahan.
Lauren Gray, the real-life Barbie.
Liam Thompson.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there.
And there's this guy, he's kind of small, his name's Luke Muirhead. I'm not showing my feet on camera. You know the rules. And so do I. What is your hair grooming routine?
Bongo la, bongo cha cha cha, parlami del Sud America. Quello che dicono laggiù, forse fantasia e nulla più.
Bruh. What is your favorite song? We like Are you really Spider-Man? It's supposed to be a secret, but you tell me. Who is your favorite brother? That's easy. My twin brother, of course. Am I on? Yeah, you're on. Hey, I'm Chad. Tell them what you do. Oh, I usually edit all the videos, come up with all the ideas, basically do everything. No, you don't. That's debatable. This is why no one likes you, Chad. Dude.